Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Antonio Pineda. I'm a student here at JTech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change a spark plug. Alright, so first thing you want to do when servicing spark plugs is you want to remove the cable from the spark plug itself. As you can see here is what I did. And then at that point you can go ahead and examine the cable, make sure everything looks right on it, and then from there you go ahead and take this out, and you would do that for each individual one. And I do have an example already right here. See, the spark plug's already been taken out. But what we do is we use this special socket right here. And I say special socket because if you look on the inside, there's a rubber piece in there that's designed to clamp onto there when you pull it out of the engine. Alright, and another tool that we would be using is this tool right here, which is used to measure the gap for the spark plug itself, because each individual one has a specific gap that it needs to be set to. So when reinstalling the spark plug, I'm going to go ahead and take that same tool, and then we bring it over here again, and then we'd reinstall it right here. But make sure you do not use power tools because you could break something. And when you torque it down, make sure it is torqued to manufacturer specification. Alright, and so we come back over here and we look at the color of the spark plug, right? So let's say it's darker than that. We would indicate that the engine is running rich, as to where if it had white spots, that mean that the engine was running lean. And reasons why we would service spark plugs is because, let's say it's running rough, or you have a misfire, or it's just time to do it. So if you don't do it, it could lead up to something else, like it could affect your catalytic converter, for one. Alright, well, thank you very much.